Hello, this is Monica Munoz, and I just wanted to share with you my progress so far. This past 2 weeks, I've been working on creating some assignments on Canvas. It is the first time that I use something like this, including with my students. I am using it right now as a station. One of my station is where they log into Canvas. The other station is where they log into HelloSmart. Another station they use iStation, and then we have a listening station, and then we have a writing station. The first one that I want to share with you is the one that I'm using on in Canvas. So the students already know how to log into Canvas. They know that they need to go to the language tile. So I'm going to show you what I have. This is what they see. I erased the one that I used last week. Last week they were reading a passage using Google Docs. So they were using the highlighting tool in order for them to highlight some words that they were learning for their spelling words, and then they were typing those words in a graph. For this week, this is what I have. I have a bar graph, and it's in Google Slides, since we're going to be learning about graphs. And as you could see, it's really interactive. They get to move stuff around, and it's really nice. I'm going to show you. The thing is that when they complete an assignment, it takes them back to this. So my students already know that they need to go back to the home. And then I'm going to show you how I embedded a learning.com lesson. So here, what the students are going to be doing is that they're going to be learning how to type. So these are the spelling words for the week. So as you could see, my students are really engaged in learning so many technology tools in Canvas. Thank you.